Do you wish you had more leads, and not only more leads, but leads that you can turn into paying clients? Do you feel like you're having like a hit or miss type of strategy right now, or lack of strategy completely in terms of how to acquire new leads and how to convert leads into sales? And potentially, do you have like lead magnets or digital products you've created, but they're just sitting there and not being utilized in any way? If that's the case, I think you're going to love this video. It's packed with step-by-step how to turn leads into sales using digital products and beautiful lead magnets that you can have. So check it out and make sure you watch till the end, because I'm sharing some little nuggets that I don't want you to miss. Ideas of how you can use a digital product like that. Again, maybe you have a digital product you made, or maybe you accessed one of mine or somebody else's. I just want you to think really infinite possibilities. You can use this digital product as a lead magnet. A lead magnet would be something under tier 0 because it's something free that we give them and that we're using at the top of the funnel, right? The terminology top of the funnel that then strategically guides somebody through affirmations, for example, for stress and fear and anxiety, to then be guided to the next steps of what I offer because they need more and more support with stress and anxiety. So one of the ways you can use this digital product is as a lead magnet at the top of the funnel that can allow you also to grow your email list. So perhaps you already have a funnel builder software, or perhaps you're looking at accessing one. I have the Wholeness Funnels software that I have white labeled the software Go High Level, so I can offer you the done for you funnels, right? So you don't need to create all of that yourself. So again, you can check that out. I give you like a 14-day free trial if you would like to get your hands on a funnel like this. But what I'm trying to get at is whether you are using a software like mine, or if you have another funnel builder, you need like a funnel builder software that at the top of the funnel here, that first step is a page that is, first of all, beautifully designed, but also has the wording, right, in your bio here, and this opt-in form that allows people to put their name, email, potentially also phone number, and they can access these affirmations, which is the digital product that you created, or again, that you got from me in this case. But the beautiful thing about this is that you can post this link, for example, into your social media, or down the line, you can even run ads to this link. Perhaps for some of you, this is too advanced, so scratch that if I'm getting too far ahead of myself here. But what we're looking for is to get and collect emails, right? Because then we can come back to our CRM software, which again, Wholeness Funnels has all of that. And then you can have all these beautiful emails and you can nurture these people in ways that social media cannot really allow you to do. And I'm seeing this trend more and more and more, that it's really hard, even if we have a large audience on social media, the engagement and the algorithm are really not as nurture friendly as emails, and as it is to have a community. Like I have, for example, my free community, which again is also something you can build inside Wholeness Funnels. You can build that free community, which is another model that I highly suggest. So you can see again how we can use one digital product to guide people into our email list using funnels, for example. If you don't want to use funnels, you could also post on social media, right? You can post a beautiful mock-up like this, which again, if you have my marketing kit, make sure you go under the digital product that I give you 3 digital products, and make sure you scroll down and you open up the Canva template that gives you access to, I design all these beautiful mock-ups for you. So you can, again, change the colors, do whatever you want here. But what I want to get at is if you post this on social media, it really stands out because people can now visually see a mock-up that shows what is included inside the lead magnet that you are giving them, right? 30 cards. They look really nice and beautiful. So even if you don't have a funnel system yet, which is totally fine, you can post a mock-up like this. You can write a nice, beautiful post, which again, if you have the marketing kit, make sure you go to the captions because I give you all the captions to promote these lead magnets. But if you don't have the captions, I want you to think, what is the strategy? I can use one digital product. I can make a mock-up. I can put it on social media. I can write a nice caption. And in that caption, I can have a beautiful call to action at the end that says something like comment secrets below or comment stress and fear below, and I will send it to you, right? So you write a nice, beautiful caption, and then you have a nice, beautiful call to action. This is what will allow people to say the word secrets or whatever it is that you're going to tell them to comment below. And then you're going to follow up either in the comments or in the DMs. And in the DMs or the comments, you're going to then guide them to either, if you download this digital product and you put it, for example, in your Google Drive, then you will give them a Google Drive link for them to access this digital product. Or if you are going to guide them through a funnel, then you will give them this URL link, right? That will be actually your URL, because when you come into the Wholeness Funnel software, you move your domain in here, and then it will be your domain, and then it will be like your own link. And then the beautiful thing about the funnel, again, you don't have to have a funnel, but I want you to think infinite possibilities. If you do have a funnel, all you give the people on social media is just a freebie, such as these affirmations that we're using right now as a lead magnet. But what the beautiful thing with the funnel, and when you're ready to have a funnel, right? No pressure here. But the next step they can see after they put their name and email, the next step they see is what I call the tripwire, which is actually designed specifically, and I tell you exactly how to work on that. Again, check out my 14-day free trial into my Wholeness Funnel software if you would like to kind of get your hands on this and learn from me. You don't have to stay with me past the 14 days. You can just test it out. But what I suggest after they download the freebie is you have a really beautiful discount, like a $9 offer of a digital product that takes them now to that next step, right? Where they can dive a little bit deeper into stress and fear in this example. So I have this 27-page emotional freedom technique and journaling and exercises guide. It's a really powerful guide. I could be selling this for a lot more, but I discount it to $9 and I give you this funnel so you guys can also use this if you would like. And this allows you now to start making some passive income. Right? So again, think infinite possibilities. You can use one digital product that you start to use as a lead magnet. Then if you use a funnel builder, then you can send them on that next step into a tripwire page where you actually now are going to collect some cash, some money. And let me show you here, as I'm going to put my name and email here, what happens when I actually click go to step 2. Is you'll see that people will be now offered to purchase the $9 product that you are offering them. But there's also one more thing here that you might have seen or you might be using yourself, which is called an order bump. And I highly suggest that you guys, if you have a funnel builder or if you come under my Wholeness Funnels, that you utilize order bumps, because now your average cart value, so how much money you can actually make from just promoting one lead magnet. Right? One digital product that you made, or again, that I gave you and you modified and made it your own, either way, you use that one digital product as a lead magnet to grow your email list and to get people to buy the next steps of the funnel, the next steps of the gentle client journey, which now is a low ticket offer, such as this beautiful EFT Tranquility through Tapping workbook, plus an order bump. Right? So here in the order bump, I suggest you guys do something like a $27 offer, right? So when I add this to my cart, it adds up to about $36 because it's the $9 from the Tripwire workbook plus $27 for this bundle for emotional eating that I also give you done for you if you guys want to add this to your offerings for your clients. And then this is a secure checkout that could put the credit card, and you just make $36 just like that. And all you did is you promoted this lead magnet. So I'm going to leave you with that in this video because I know that might have been a lot. But what I want you to really remember is the beautiful ways we can use digital products to guide people through a gentle client journey of tier 0 offers, meaning free offers that we give them. And we make beautiful captions and beautiful mock-ups and beautiful graphics to display what this digital product is that we are offering them. And I have a whole array of social media also that I give you inside the marketing kit. Again, if you guys are listening to this and you have purchased a marketing kit, just know you get all the social media, the graphics, the mockups, everything in the marketing kit. So make sure you have access to that. Plus, make sure you have come inside the Transformational Collective so I can actually personally help you. We jump on calls. I have multiple trainings in here and we can take this thing further. But again, how many possibilities do we have from just one lead magnet, just one digital product? And then we can make passive income if we strategically place this within a funnel. And what I didn't even tell you is that step 3 and step 4 here, you can even upsell them to higher and higher tiers, right? So you can continue to upsell from that one funnel. This person just bought, the $9 and maybe the order bump. Then you can even upsell them to a membership, and you can even upsell them to a high ticket just from one funnel process. And it's part of the reason I really love funnels is because it allows me to sell but without really selling, right? And it allows for people to just filter through my words and how I display things and just kind of feel into their hearts. Do they want to keep buying from me? Do they need more time? Do they like these things? Do they not? If they don't like it, they just click out of it, right? So there's no pressure in any of this. And then I get their emails, so I get to nurture them long term, and I get to invite them to different workshops and things that I do, and I get to have this beautiful relationship that lasts long term. So I will leave you with that. Come into my Transformational Collective. I would love to discuss how you felt about this video. If you have any questions, and in whatever way I can help you have a thriving, beautiful, fulfilling business.